langit. Ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, kahanin, kundol, patola, upot, kalabasa, at saka mayroon sigurda ka ba? Mustasa, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya, sa paligid-ligid ay puno ng ligaya.
Yung kantang yan, alam natin kantahin, pero yung iba ba naiintindihan nyo? Alam niyo ba kung ano yung mga words niya, yung mga lyrico niya?
Lalo na sa English.
Lalo sa Ingles. So, nandito rin kami para sabihin natin, sama-sama, at alamin kung
Sige.
ano talaga yung mga salitang yan.
Okay, okay.
Ako na ang titira ng ano.
Lalo na. Oh, lalo na. Sige, ikaw tumira nung...
Lagi niya mga ikaw tumitira eh. So,
Hindi, Englishin natin para doon sa mga nakakalimot.
okay. O, sige. Bahay kubo.
O baka nakalimutan nyo na, nipahat. Di ba?
Nakakaluha pala eh.
Nipahat.
Kahit munti.
State Penitentiary.
Iba talaga. Ginulong ko yung munti.
Saan ba yung ginukulong yung mga kriminal
Sa munti.
O sa munti. Di ba?
Okay,
State Penitentiary.
Ang halaman doon.
All the plants there,
Yeah. Ay, sorry.
store. Maybe 7-Eleven?
Gotcha. Sige, lulusutin na nga. Singkamas!
Ha?
Singkamas.
Turnip.
Alam niya. Hindi ba alam niya? At talong.
An eggplant.
Okay? Sigarilyas.
Ano?
Sigarilyas.
Sigarilyas. Ladies cigarettes.
Hindi mo talaga yan?
Oo naman. Ladies cigarettes. Pag lalaki, sigarilyos. Pag babae, sigarilyas. Lady cigarettes.
Okay. At manik.
The cigarette of the lady. Peanut. Ladies peanut.
Ladies peanut.
Bakit yung ladies pa?
Paano yung mga lalaki? Meron bang gentleman's peanuts?
Wala. Nuts, meron.
Hindi. Ang pagkakaalam ko, yung sa babae, peanut.
Oh.
Yung sa lalaki, pinis. Patay ko na! Harap kayo! Ano ka naman?
Tuloy mo na.
Okay. Sitaw!
What?
Sitaw.
Oh, sit down. Small string bean.
Okay. Bataw.
Medium string bean.
Batani.
Large string bean.
Ginawa mo siya. Hindi ba talaga yan?
Oo. Pare-pareho naman yung string bean yun eh. Sukat lang ang nagkaiba dun eh.
Kundol!
What?
Kundol!
Nakikiramay po. Ano po ba ang kinumatay niya?
Hindi, yan talaga. Kamunin ka dyan. Hinahamon
Ano ba
ka
yun?
dyan. Hindi tawag.
Kung
You need a
friend?
Baka kailangan mo.
Can I phone a friend?
Yan.
Can I call on the professor of the English language?
For the word to know?
Yeah.
Kundol.
Okay. Professor Jimmy,
Yes,
can you please join us here on stage?
yes, what's the problem?
Liga. Please.
Yung problema yung dalawa doon sa translation.
Translation of what?
Condor.
What is kundol?
Kundol, you don't know the translation of that?
That's why we're asking.
So, you want me to translate?
Oh, yeah.
You tell them.
Explain to them.
Okay. Listen. Kundol. It is a thing to be worn in the utensils. In time of emergency, the come out will not be exposed.
Teka, sandali.
Ano
sinasabi mo?
Sinidefine na yung, ano, definition ba yun?
Ha?
Definition, kondom.
Kondom yun eh. Ha? Kondom yung sinasabi mo eh.
And you make it clear.
Hindi kondom.
Ano ulit? It's a thing. It is a thing to be worn in the utensils.
What is utensil? What utensil are you talking about?
Gamit.
Ha?
Gamit.
Gamit.
Yes, utensils.
Why?
Parang paikli mo yan, utin na yan. Utensil. Loko ko. Utensil.
Iba yung English ng gamit?
In time of emergency, a come out will not be exposed.
Yun na nga. Yun na nga yun. Yun na nga ang condom na sinasabi nito.
Okay, mawalang galang na. Pwede bang lumayas ka muna? Ganda-ganda ng usapan namin dito. Pinasukan mo ng kondom eh.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
With all due respect, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
No more.
In
No.
time of emergency, we will call you. Come out will not be exposed. Okay, tuloy natin. Tapos ay tuloy.
Oh.
Patola.
What patola? Ha?
Patola.
Patola? Anybody? Patola? Hey, Professor!
What? I thought there's no more.
Oh, there's one more.
Wala friend again.
Can I phone a friend again? Hey, Professor!
Yes.
Hey, where are you?
What is that again?
Do you know what patola is in English?
Patola?
Yeah?
I don't know.
Okay, since he doesn't know, next word please.
Upot.
Ano?
Upot.
Nicotine. Upot. Akala ko ipot.
Upot.
Opo. Yes sir, yes ma'am.
Upo yan. Upo yan eh.
Opo. Corn.
Corn. Kalabasa.
Squash.
Ay, Halloween.
Yeah, squash.
At saka meron pa.
But wait, there's more.
Parang yan. Labanos. Nakakawa na ng chicken.
Labanos.
Radish. Yun. Mustasa.
Mustache.
Okay, paano sila natin? Sibuyas.
Onion.
Kamatis. Oh, nagamit ka
Professor!
Nagamit ka nila.
Yes.
Professor!
What?
I need your help again, please.
I don't like anymore.
Oh, come on.
Come here.
Come on, come
I
on, come on.
I don't like anymore.
Hey, come here, come in. Come in.
It's useless.
Last one.
You got angry when I define me what you want.
Okay. So, what? You sit down. Sit down. Come on.
Just
What is that?
Sit down.
See?
No, I won't pull.
This is the guy with the big utensils.
This guy.
What is kamatis?
Oh yeah, let's play.
Kamatis in English.
Is this real?
Yeah, that's real.
For real, yeah.
Kamatis.
Kamatis, yeah.
When you were a little boy.
When you were a little boy.
Yes, when you were a little boy. Usually during summer. You will go beside the river in a squat position.
Start position.
And someone will tap the top portion of the skin of the utensils.
And then,
But remember, huh?
we will remember.
Be careful. Don't show it to a girl.
Why?
Because when she did, the surrounding of the neck of the utensils will turn into tomato.
Ang dami may kwento. usapin ko eh.
Okay, Tagadis.
Okay, mawalang galang na. Lumayas ka na ulit.
No more.
Don't come back ever, okay?
You sure, ha?
Yeah.
Okay. Bawang!
Professor.
Bawang!
Oh, that's Bawang. Happy New Year.
At luya.
Like the pit of the professor. You know?
It's like Luya.
At sa paligid-ligid
And all around
ay puno o puno ng linga.
is a tree of
Ano ba talaga yung puno o puno? Ako naguguluhan.
Puno, tree.
Puno, tree.
of
Ng linga.
Linga.
O linga.
Well, after eating, you have lima.
Tingnan yun eh.
Well, sounds like lima. Parang nakawa na ako yung professor. Halika, tuloy.
Sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya. Sa paligid-ligid ay puno ng linga.
Thank you. And,
Hey!
wait, I forgot something.
What's that?
What the?
This is a letter coming from the President of the Philippine Island.
What?
Message.
Hoy, ayan o.
So the president.
Senador.
Patingin.
President.
Is that for real?
Malacanang.
For everyone.
Titignan ko.
Everyone.
Oh, yan ba yung seal? Oo nga. Seal ng presidente ito.
Baka may mensahe si...
Office of the President, Republic of the Philippines, for the Filipinos in Singapore. Certified urgent. Certified urgent. Ayan, no? Kailangan kantahin. Ba? Kailangan. Napagbigyan na niya. Napagbigyan.
Hey.
Anong kinan?
Wait.
Wait. I just gave that.
Is this for real?
Alam ko yan.
The Church of Pinoy. Ayun, Pinoy.
Alam ko yan. Maestro,
Oh, tirahin ko na.
Here you go.
Galing sa presidente po ito, mga kaibigan. Pinakakanta para sa inyo. Ako'y isang Pinoy na dating noy-noy. Ako ang presidente ng ating bansa. Ako ay wala pang asawa, wala rin syota. Ang masakit ang buhok ko, wala na yata. Shalani Soledad, ang dati kong sinyota. Biglang akong iniwanan at kay Willie sumama na. Ready? Get set?
Tag mo ako sa sangyan, ha?
Go! Sigat, Jose Rizal, aking idolo. Maraming babae, parang Big Soto.
Gusto mo ka nagkakalukuhan? Paano ako nasingit dyan?
Pare, Malacanang yan, ayan. Ayan eh, ginulo eh, tinitira na kami.
maliwanag.
Ayan eh, sulat ka ba yun?
Ano ba ito?
May stamp.
Ano
Makinig
maraming
ka na, tapusin ko na. Baka,
Bakit maraming babae?
ewan ko, siya nagsabi.
Iniiwanan na ako eh.
Bukas yung uhod ko.
Tuloy. Bilangan ko.
Buti na lang, apat yung kapalit.
Sige na lang, tuloy mo na lang. Okay, may bilang ulit ako. Okay, let's go. Ready, get set, Sigat, Jose Rizal, aking idolo.
Huwag ka na papalag.
Maraming babae, parang Soto. Oh. Maganda yun, ulitin natin. Maraming babae, parang
Nakikiayo naman kayo. Mapait na ako ngayon.
iniwan lang kami. Okay. Pero baka ina rin magwating
at malasin pa, baka matapat pa sa may mabahong isda. Hindi ko alam eh. Mabuti, hindi ko maintindihan ang ibig sabihin nun. Ayaw niya na mag-asawa at baka matapat pa sa may mabahong isda.
Baka yung kasabihan ni Rizal yan.
Kasabihan na rin sa well,
Kasabihan ni Rizal.
kailangan na naman natin ng tulong pa rin.
Bro,
Yes!
come here, last time.
Bro!
Is that all?
Yeah.
That's last?
One more help, please, for the audience.
Gatpuro needs your help. Come on. It's okay.
Did you hear? Yung kasabihan. Ginawa mo tuta.
Have you seen the tuta?
No. Shit. Did you hear about the mamahong isda? Please help us.
I heard that. Regarding the mamahong isda.
No, okay. Let's talk about kasabihan.
Kasabihan, yeah.
Yeah, that I heard. Yeah, that's I heard mamahong isda. That's mamahong isda. It is dedicated by Dr. Rizal to all the girls he loved before.
Ano? Oh, the girls we loved before.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, explain.
Yeah. Because if you don't take care of your own
Wait a minute.
Ang hindi magmahal sa sarili, ganoon,
You want to translate that? Okay. If you don't like or care your own country code,
ay higit.
higit.
Yeah.
Oh, be careful, higit.
Okay.
That is very careful. Careful, higit. You know the meaning of higit?
Of course. Higit. More.
More.
Much more.
No, that's more.
No.
More.
What is higit?
Higit. You know, higit is a combination of two parts of the body of a woman.
Oh. Higit is a combination of
Two body parts.
two body parts of a woman.
Yes.
Oh, explain.
Okay. Higit. He is for Hita.
Okay.
He is for singing.
Sing it.
Yes.
Also,
So be careful to your Hita or singing. Or in other words, higit. Because if you don't care or take care, your face will be like rest in peace. So be careful to your tilapia and blah blah.
it will smell like rest in peace.
Yes.
So what is your advice?
Advice for that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Very simple.
Very simple.
Very simple advice. Especially to all the women.
The woman.
And the most important thing, those who have problems. Okay. This is it. Listen to this. Very careful, word for word.
Ano advice? What's your advice to the woman?
Okay, my advice is this. Use lactose 3 times a day. About you.
Ginugulo mo eh. Alam mo, while masama yung paso mo, alam mo ba na kasunod natin yung number, respeto. Ano? Respeto. Yung susunod na mapapanood nila. Kaya nakakahiya mo.
Natatawa lang.
Pinagagawa ng interpreter mo.
Okay, mga kaibigan, pagpaumanin nyo, lalo na doon sa kasunod na. Okay, pakilala mo nga yung sarili mo. Wisit na ito.
Mabuti pa, ikaw na naman pakilala.
Pakilala mo yung sarili mo.
Silvia, oh.
Hoy! Uy, ano po?
Ako na lang talaga magpapakilala sa sarili ko.